3 missiles misfired during Army exercise in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer, Probon. 3 surface-to-air missiles were misfired by the Army from the Pokhran field firing range in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer. 2 of the missiles were recovered and search is on for the third one. By Vimal Bhatia. 3 missiles were misfired during a firing exercise by the Indian Army in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer. The firing exercise was being held at the Pokhran field firing range when the 3 surface-to-air missiles were misfired due to a technical glitch. The 3 missiles went out of range and hit the fields in different villages, causing loud explosions. Defense spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Amitabh Sharma said the missiles were misfired during a military exercise. The debris of 2 of the misfired missiles has been recovered, but authorities are yet to find the third one. Police and army teams are currently searching for the third missile. The missiles of range between 10 to 25